Yes, I am dealing with criminals. I am friend of normal people. I am follow the rules and laws. I am good policeman.
I talk about community helpers. House helper. I clean the floor every day. I cut vegetables and water the plants. Work in the garden. And I'm community helpers. I work in home.
I'm a doctor. I'm a best community helper. I'm a cure the disease from the people's hand.
I am a nurse. Nurses are working in the hospital. Nurse helps all the patients in the hospital. I am a chef. I like cooking. I cook delicious food. I love to cook vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. I am a doctor. I give treatment for sick persons. I give medicines and cure them. I'm a chef. I serve food to others. I serve tasty food and healthy food. Good morning. I am a doctor. I will be the people. Yeah. I am a policeman. I say law and order.